The title of our project is Voice Conversion using Matlab. The aim of our project is to produce the words of one person in the voice of another person. That is, we need to produce the words of a source speaker in the voice of a target speaker. So, first of all, we need to identify different speakers. We can identify different speakers using their vocal tract transfer function and their pitch range. So for extracting vocal tract transfer function, we use sepstral domain analysis. So this is the basic block diagram of sepstral domain analysis. First you take a sound signal, then you pass it through a window, you divide it into chunks and pass it through a window. Then you compute DFT, that is discrete Fourier transform of the windowed version of the sound. Then you take log of that DFT, and after taking log you take IDFT, that is inverse discrete Fourier transform, and after taking IDFT you get the signal in sepstral domain. After that you perform operations like lift ring to get your transfer function and the excitation part of the voice signal. Now if you go to the program, for the program we use phase vocoding techniques to perform this voice function. So in the phase vocoding technique we basically take the DFT, and then after taking DFT we get complex number, that is we get a real part and an imaginary part, magnitude and phase. So in the frequency domain we try to manipulate the phase as per our desired application, and after that when we convert it back into time domain we get our desired effects. For example, we have tried getting the robotization effect. In the robotization effect we simply set the phase of each window chunks to be 0. Simply we set the phase to be 0. Now if I run this, so this was a robotized voice signal of 2 seconds. The next effect which we have tried is chorus effect or whisperization effect. In this, we take the phase values to be any random number between 0 to 2 pi. So our phase will be any random value between 0 to 2 pi, and then we convert it back into time domain. So we get whisperization effect or chorus effect. If I run this, next we move on to our aim. Next we want to convert the source of one person. Next we want to convert the voice of one person to the voice of another person. For this we have made a pitch estimation algorithm and a pitch shift algorithm. Pitch estimation is based on sepstral analysis, and pitch shift algorithm is using the phase vocoding techniques. So for pitch estimation we we converted our signal in sepstral domain, and after this to get the pitch what we did is we calculated the maximum value where y value is maximum. The corresponding x value is our pitch period, and from pitch period we can get pitch frequency. Now after that we took all the windows and then we identified the pitch frequencies. So this was pitch estimation, and for pitch shift we just use the phase vocoding technique. Now if I run this code,